What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, me and Landon are going to unbox so much Pokemon cards. Some of them could even be a Pikachu. Like, right a really good one.
Like, before this started, like the video, I got them at the dollar store.
So,
The dollar store for $1.
So, he got like 50 packs. And we're about to open them. Let's go. We just opened one, and this is what we got.
That's what we got. Okay, here. I will open this one.
And then I'll open this one.
Yeah. Okay. So here's how you do it. You do this.
Okay, now we are going to do this. One.
I actually have the same one. If you want that one.
Yeah, I'm going to keep it. Okay. All right, ready? What if, imagine if we get something lucky.
Okay.
You have to keep blocking me.
Wow, honey. How has I know
That's kind of good.
I mean, it's a hollow. It's a hollow.
Yeah, I'll put that right there.
you could have bought him on
No, that's not like that.
It's kind of bad.
Well,
Bad.
put away for my Christmas fund.
Imagine if we're like keep getting bad until the last one's like so good.
Bad.
Not.
Yeah, it's not too bad, but.
It's like using one
We're
deck.
good. 30. We're fine. And not that good.
See? That's the last card. That's the last card. Oh, it's an energy here. Okay, got it? Good. Good.
Okay.
What do we got? What do we Dang it! Again, this happened.
I swear, the one I had little one. You
She got a really good sign.
No, it was that one. It was this
It
one.
was white.
And-
And white means good. So let's see what it does.
Hollow.
That's over there.
Or did I?
No.
Bad over here. Bad.
I requested all.
Not that bad.
No, that's not good. So,
That's
That's insane.
New. New. Oh! I actually got him. Another song.
Not all of them, all right, Land? You're leaving some for Dad.
Energy.
Mine, are Dad? Mine?
Oh.
Mine.
That's a hollow.
Yeah.
That's pretty good, actually.
It's
pretty good.
It's 160.
Okay.
Alright. Now we're gonna do this one. Hopefully it's a good one.
Yeah, it's a good one. I
Wait,
swear.
Guys, which one should we do? Eeny, meeny, miny,
Miny,
mo.
mo.
Catch a
Catch
spider
spider
by
by
its toe. If you holler, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I'm what it says to pick the very best one. Red, white, and blue. What do you do? I choose you.
Oh, okay, good. This is mine next.
Okay.
It's a hard one for some reason.
Hold up. Wait, I got it. Wait.
Wait. Let me see. This is the rarest pack. In
This is
every
the
pack.
rarest pack.
In every pack. I'm
Yeah.
not kidding. Like,
What
in
if we
every
get?
pack on
Imagine if we get like a Pikachu or something.
like
A rainbow Pikachu. That's our goal in this one.
a rainbow peak. Oh my god, that's gonna be hard.
Yeah, but that's. I mean, you have one of those. You only have one. Wait, stop the video. A little bit, but we didn't really get anything good except that one and this one.
Yeah.
Got this one, not that both. Kind of. No.
Where is the good card?
No.
Where's
I
the
mean,
good
we
card?
didn't really get a good thing.
Signed though, but
Yeah.
it's fine.
That kind of looks cool though.
Nope. Okay.
Unboxing time.
Yes.
We still got way more though. I don't know. We're not. We might
Open
open
those.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
might not open those. I haven't posted a video in a while. Anyways, I said next video is gonna be bottle flipping, but no, we didn't do that. We're doing this.
Bad sign again.
No. Maybe we might get something good though. Wait, no.
I'm just gonna
No.
go without it. Ooh, I mean,
This
Pretty-
is. What is it?
I don't know. He's a boss.
We got 120.
20. Not too bad. Linux.
What?
just stinks. Stinks. Here. Just stinks.
Open them later.
Yellow mask? I don't know.
Did you find any good ones?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got two so far.
Oh,
We
yeah.
got 2 really
Oh.
good. Here's one of them. Him and
Oh, okay. Cool. Yeah.
that was kind of bad. Alright. Now we're gonna do this one.
Yeah.
Unboxing.
Part
I
16?
know.
I don't know.
Can you just stop the video while I'm unpacking? Oh, wait. Never mind. I might have got this.
I made no move. I love you. Bing, bang. Why would it be big? Wait. Hold up. Oh my god. I'm so sorry. Oh my god, it's a good sign too.
Oh, yes. That's a good sign. Wait. Okay. We didn't get a really good sign, but
It's fine.
1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
Oh, okay. Hold up, guys. I will let if this vid gets 15 likes, I will let Ollie keep that pack.
Just 15? Okay.
No, 5.
5?
Yeah,
no,
5.
this video is definitely gonna get 5. Ew. She doesn't lick my
Okay,
foot.
3, 2, 1, go.
Ooh. Okay,
Wait,
we're
wait,
gonna
let me
keep
see
these in a safe spot, just so that we know.
Okay, good. That's a good card. Hollow? Medium?
Not that good. Yeah, I don't want
We
this
already
one.
okay.
Or this one. I'll keep this one.
Okay, wow. It's actually a.
This one's not that bad. This one.
Yeah, this looks pretty good.
All right. Ooh, nice. I think
We're
this
down to the
is,
last-
we're going good. Nice.
We're done the last card.
No, we have
Wait, one more.
110.
110, okay.
Okay, guys. This
Hold up,
one-
guys. Hold up. This is the last card.
Wait, I have one.
It's an
It's energy. We don't want that.
Okay.
But so if this video gets 5 likes,
I will
then I
let him keep this pack.
yeah. So we're gonna keep this in a safe spot. Just
Yeah.
there. And if this video gets 500 likes, he'll let me keep this.
Yeah.
But it's probably
not,
not.
it's not.
But we only have 1 month for it to get 500 likes.
Yes.
Just 1 month. Okay, guys. Bye. It's our last pack. I mean, we could have.
That's a good sign.
Yes, that's a good sign. Wait,
a
is that
good
like the best sign we ever got?
Yeah.
Okay. This one, yeah, this one is different. This one's different. Let's see what he gets. Let's see.
Look.
You're not gonna get lucky. I promise. No, you are.
Yes, I am. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Make sure you do 4 things.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. No. Not
Oh,
that.
no. Oh my god. I got a VMAX. Dude, I got a VMAX.
Oh.
I got a VMAX.
Wait.
No way.
320.
That's mine.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, that's mine. Dude, this is the best card.
If this video gets 1 billion likes in a day, he'll let me keep this. But
It's not gonna at all. Okay, so here, this is your free card.
Yay.
I already have it.
Alright, this is my pack.
No.
What?
This is like.
Okay,
both.
good.
Oh yeah. So he's filming. I'm gonna open
So
the
give me
card.
half of it.
Yeah, I will give you half. Too bad.
Okay. Not bad.
Ooh, it's a shiny.
140.
Same one.
That's one.
Energy.
I mean,
it's still pretty
I
good.
mean, this energy you won't really see that much.
It's still good though.
Which one could I keep?
All of them.
All of them?
Yeah. All. I don't care.
For watching, everybody. See ya.